So I'm now going to look at positioning on Mannington Roundabout, coming from the Meads Roundabout and heading towards West Swindon. So it's right at the roundabout, third exit towards West Swindon, and we're going to be looking at the positioning. So I can see the sign on the left that tells me where I need to go, and I can see the sign now down by the roundabout on the right hand side, which tells me what lane I need. And all I'm going to be doing is focusing on positioning for this video, so you can see how to position on this roundabout and how we should navigate around it. So you can see just over to the left here, we've got the little dots. That tells us what we need to follow to get into the correct positioning of our lane. You'll see, if you look slightly to the right, that it's now brought us into the left of the two right turn lanes. So we need to stay tight to the left as we exit the roundabout, and we're going to stay over to the left here because this has two lanes exiting and they will merge very quickly here, which is why we need to hold our positioning on exit of that roundabout, because you may have cars coming up on your right hand side and we don't want to be veering over to the right and putting ourselves in danger.